23 CR 1304, State of Texas versus Luis Benjamin Silva. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Mitchell for the state.
Jim Answer is doing for Mr. Silver.
And are you Mr. Silva? Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Silva, I'm showing you what's entitled application for community supervision or deferred adjudication. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it? Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Silva, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of assault, family, choking, strangulation? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to, no, James, okay. That you will be able to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes to both questions, Your Honor.
Mr. Silva, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, state recommends deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be the entirety of the plea bargain agreement? Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours of community service restitution, no harmful or injurious contact with Brenda Silva, the BIPP course, and parenting classes. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Your Honor, we offer State's Exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
Objections, Your Honor.
Mr. Silva, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court would defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you still living with Ms. Silva?
Yes.
All right. So Counsel, before I make a ruling on this case, I'm going to need Ms. Silva in here because it appears from reading the police report that they both wanted a divorce, or she said she wanted a divorce. And how old are you?
I'm 39.
You're 39, and how old is she?
31.
And then each of them started breaking each other's properties. This sounds partly childish, other than the fact that we're in felony court. So, State, have you had any contact with Ms. Silva?
Your Honor, we have reached out to her. She has not been cooperative with us with this.
All right. So do y'all want to continue with sentencing then?
I'd like to proceed. I've actually had a little more contact, not with her, but with Mr. Silver.
Okay.
I've gotten a little bit of a more of a background. I'm not sure I have a strong opinion one way or the other about the relationship, but he was telling me in an earlier conversation that they were doing some type of, I thought it was counseling. You explained something to me, Mr. Silver. What was it?
We're taking family service counseling.
How's that work?
It's going real good. His name is Fred Ganamas,
Okay.
and he's helping me out. And my wife has a counselor. Her name is Suhei.
All right. Is Child Protective Services involved or no? Do you have any children?
Yes,
Okay. What are their ages?
5 and 7.
Do they live at the household with you all? Okay. Are you employed?
Yes,
All right. Were the children at home during this scuffle?
yes.
And so these children, boy, girl, 2 boys? All right. Here's the problem. Well, not really it's an adult problem or adult issue. Children, how they learn is they imitate what they see. If you see a child who's using profanity or hear them using profanity, it's because they're around people who use profanity. Now, so far in your relationship with Miss Silva, what you both are teaching the children is it okay? It's okay to hit people and to be abusive towards people you love. That's not good. And now I will tell you, what day of the week did this happen on?
On my son's birthday.
And how old was he going to be?
5.
He's 5. So his birthday for age 5 was ruined. I hope you all made that up to him and gave him another birthday. But he's still going to just remember that's what happened on his 5th birthday.
Yes.
Well, that makes it worse. Yeah. So you all are going to have to do better. And if you cannot be in a relationship with each other that's loving, then maybe you all are better off as just being friends and not being in a relationship. As it gets to the point where you're screaming at each other, accusing one person or the other of cheating, maybe that's not a relationship that either should be in, because relationships are built on trust. And if you can't trust somebody, you shouldn't probably be in a relationship with them. All right, I'm going to require that you continue with your counselor, and you're going to give probation who that counselor is. Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 150 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to want parenting classes with Triple P. Once parenting classes are completed, the 150 hours will be satisfied. The BIPP course. And I'm going to ask for field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. And then it can be random thereafter. Probation, is there anything else? Oh, I'm sorry. No harmful or injurious contact with Brenda Silva. Is there anything else he needs probation?
Your Honor, you want to, put that continue with counseling
Yes.
in, as a condition?
And you're to do continued counseling. And what is the agency?
Family services.
Continued counseling with family services.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Thank you.
All right. I'm showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. And because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney, okay? All right, good luck to you. We're off the record. Do better. And if your relationship is not what you want it to be, then maybe you shouldn't be in that relationship, okay?
In August, we'll be 3 years married.
Okay. All right, work on it. All right, thank you.